Hi guys, it's Miss Nicha from Perfect Home. Today I'm at the community gate. It's called Prathana Plus. This house has 3 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. It's located at Phak Wan, Hang Dong, Chiang Mai. So this house it has the area space is 150 square meters, and then include the land is 224 square meters. So I want to show you guys. Let's go see. So this area that we see first is a parking space. So you can park 2 cars in the double parking. And then right here is a park area. So you can do the activity and everything with your family in here. So maybe put some tea and everything, the plant as well. So this house it have 2 gates. So I'm gonna show you these gates first. This one is living area space. So if you can see, it come with the furniture as well. In this part, come with that, and then you can see the light is come with from that side, and the really big aircon as well. And this one, I want to show you guys. They have a coding space here. You can code to separate area, and then you can open as well. And then they have storage underneath of their stair. So it's quite big. So if anything that you don't use, just put in there. And then this one is the bathroom. So right here we have a kitchen areas. We have a dining table for 4 people, and then the kitchen areas, and then you can put all the kind of stuff in here. And in the back, of course, right here, they have a really Thai big kitchen, so you can do like really strong cook, or like Thai cook, you know, like they make a really good food in Thai. Let me show you upstairs. Alright guys, I'm here at the 2nd floor of the house. Of course, this have 2nd floor of the house have 3 bedrooms. So let me show you guys for the master bedroom. So here is the master bedroom. It's really open space, and of course they have balcony, and then the open window for the lights, and then of course beds, and then it's come with the closets, the cosmetic table as well. And right here it have a bathroom with the bathtub as well, and really colorful color, isn't it? Alright, let me show you guys another 2 bedroom, but I want to show you guys this bathroom at first. So it have a heat hot water, of course, and then it's really nice in areas, open area as well. Alright, let's check it out, the 2 bedroom. This bedroom is really nice and open space, and of course you can turn to be office space or anything you want, and of course come with aircon as well. Let me show you guys another bedroom. So right here is another bedroom. I think it's pretty much the same size, and then this one is have 2 windows and opens, and the light is come up. It's kind of nice, isn't it? About this house. So if you guys like this area, I think this house can be your choice. So it's just only 8 minutes from the big city, and then 10 minutes from the fish market in Manhias, and this locates between the 2nd ring and the 3rd ring. I kind of really like this area, you know. And then if you guys like this house, please like and subscribe on this channel, and then please comment down below, and don't forget, if you want to build this house, please call this number. I'll see you guys in the next video.